In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can extract audio from your InShot video. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So if you have a video and it contains an audio, but you like to go ahead and extract the audio only, it is quite simple in Shortcut. Just follow these steps. The first thing you need to do is to have your video on your timeline here. As you can see, I have my video here. Then go to audio here and then tap on it. Now from audio, you'll see quite a number of options here. Just go ahead first and tap on this video track that contains your audio. And here you'll see we have an option here to extract audio. So if you go ahead and tap on extract audio, this will go ahead and extract the audio that you have on your video, and then you will have separated the two, as you can see here. Then you can go ahead, if you want to download the audio only, you can maybe delete the video and download the audio only as you wish. Or if you want to replace the audio with another audio, you can just go ahead and replace it by deleting this and then replacing it with the one you want. Once you're done, now go ahead and tap on that tick to confirm your changes. So that's how you can separate the two or extract your audio from your video on InShot. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.